We're given the problem. It says the graph shows the rising cost of healthcare. What is the percent increase in healthcare costs from 2002 to 2014? Before we begin to answer the problem, let's take a look at percent increase or percent decrease. Now here's the formula for the percent increase or percent decrease. Is simply the change in amounts always divided by the original amount. Okay, so whether it's a percent increase or percent decrease, the number itself will always be positive. However, we must be mindful to always divide by the original amount. So let's take a look at the example. All right, so here we see that in the year 2014, the healthcare costs are $3,585.70. We can see that in 2020, which is the starting year or the original amount, the healthcare costs are $1,559. So we're going to write out this as the change in amount. So we're going to take the $3,585.70 minus the $1,559, and we're going to divide that by 1,559. So if I bring over my calculator, we have a 2,026.7 divided by 1,559. Now we know this is a percent increase because our value did increase from 2022 to 2014. So now if we divide by 1,559, we get 1.3. Now we must convert the decimal to a percentage. So I'm going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. And I'm going to add my percent symbol for a total of 130%.